Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel Financeable. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to connect Bitget wallet with Bitget exchange. Now let us begin. Well, do note that I have already created my Bitget wallet account. Now all I'm gonna do is connect it to Bitget exchange. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my account. Now I'm gonna show you guys how to connect your Bitget wallet. If you do not know how to go to the dashboard, at the top right you can see a profile icon right here. Click on it. Well, from here, as you can see, there are lots of options, but right now what we're gonna focus on is simply the security. Click on it, and this is it. This is the security page. You can simply go from right here as well. Just click on security. Once you've done that, simply scroll down, and guys, this is it. From here you can see something called as third-party account management. Simply click on the manage button right here. And guys, that is it. Once you've done that, almost at the bottom you can see something called as Bitget wallet, and right next to it there is a button like this that says set. Click on it, and that is it. Simply give your confirmation. Do note that I have already installed the Bitget wallet Chrome extension. Now all I'm gonna do is enter my password and simply unlock my wallet. Once you've done that, this thing will open up that says connect. Simply give your confirmation. Once again, click on agree. That is it. Once you've done that, simply enter the verification code from your email address and your Google Authenticator. I'm gonna enter both of them right now. Once you've entered both the codes, simply hit on confirm, and that is it. That's how you connect Bitget wallet to Bitget exchange. It is quite easy. Well guys, that is it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, to remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.